Hello everybody, my name is Today and welcome to my channel. It's been a long time, I haven't done any unboxing or any review, and it's time to do a review about a thing that everybody who owns a MacBook, Apple computer, the new one that are only on USB Type-C, need to have. Everyone need to have a dongle. Yes, dongle is a word. We will see if this product is any good. It has a great ratings on the Amazon store. I actually ordered there. We will do a live test, a stress test of it in MacBook Pro. Whoa! Now let's move to the down camera here. Okay, this is it. This is the package I'm talking about. This is the Finisk. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. It's USB-C hub. Check this out. It's new. Let's take this Finisk outside of the box. It is like, you know, cute box. Really nice. 9-in-1 USB-C hub. HDMI. RJ45, that's Ethernet, USB 3.0, that's 4 times, dude, USB 3.0 4 times, SD and TF card reader, and micro SD reader, USB-C port for charging while you are, using it. And if you have a MacBook Pro 13-inch model with only 2, I think that they have just 2 USB Type-C ports, right? Am I wrong? Yeah, I think they have only 2, right? It's HDMI, it supports 4K and 2K at 30 Hz, downward compatible with 1080p, 1080i, 720p. I think that we all care if this thing works like it is supposed to work. It's made in China, and I think that this thing came from United Kingdom. I'm not sure why, but I ordered it from Amazon Germany, and it came from United Kingdom. Probably they have a warehouse there. So anyway, let's open this. I really like that box. It's compact. It's really nice. I like that. Great. Now open this box. Okay, we have here something is inside, and that's it. This is the empty box. Now it's going away. It's finished. Welcome, model X901. This is actually the guide, nothing special. So what we have here, it's a pouch. Yeah, it's a pouch, it's nice. It's really great pouch here. It's soft, so you can store it inside while you're carrying. And this is it. This is the Finisk itself. It's made of aluminium, whatever you want it to be. It's really in this really soft and sturdy foam. So let's take it out. That's what she said. We have here USB 3.0, SD card reader, micro SD card reader, Ethernet port, HDMI, USB 3.0, USB 3.0, USB 3.0, and USB Type-C for powering or even adding another hard drive or whatever you want. Anyway, this is it. It's really great material. It's first feeling is maybe it's kind of cheap, but it's one piece of aluminum here and a little bit of plastic here and there. Cable is quite good. Cable is really thick. I think it's not going to be easily broken here, and it's great. It's really nice cable, and this is also the aluminum plug here and golden plug for type USB-C. I will try this thing with my Transcend external hard drive. Made it by myself. I have this SSD drive inside. It's the Intel SSD 240 gigs, external 3.0 case, Western Digital My Passport Ultra with 3.0. All these three drives are 3.0 USB, and I will use also the card reader. I would like to use the Ethernet port, but I think I won't have such a long cable from my router there. It's not such a big dimension. If you compare it to my head here, let's try it. Let's see if it's any good. Let's plug this inside there. It's plugged inside. Let me just see what happens when I just plug inside SD card. Let me see if it's SD card. I've just plugged inside SD card, and there it is. It's EOS Digital. It's from my Bliss. Woo! EOS M10. Next thing I will plug in is my Western Digital 3.0. That's the oldest one I have. I will try to plug it here on USB 3.0. Let's see what happens. Come on. Yes, my passport here, up there. You can see it here. My passport and SD card. My passport and SD card. Next thing, let's try to plug in this SSD I'm using. I will do this on the other side. All right. Now we have already 3 devices inside. 3 devices. Okay. It's TSSD Intel recognized. Now we have SD card, WD, my passport, and SSD. And now I will plug in this Transcend. All right. Let's see what happens. And disk ejected. All disks ejected. That's too much for it. I unplugged this one. No, it's not working. I need to unplug this WD. SSD is working. Let me just try this Transcend. It's SSD back. EOS Digital is back. And I think that the Transcend is going to pop up right now. Yeah, Transcend. So I will try to use this USB drive. That's Kingston USB drive. So let me just see what happens. Now I have Transcend 4 gigs, SSD 24, and yeah, we have SanDisk also available. So we have like a 3.0 card reader. I will try to connect it. Yeah, USB storage. So you can see here now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 devices plugged in. 2 external hard drives, 2 USB pen drives, and 1 SD card. But something I want to see if it will work also if I plug this charger. So let me see if I plug the charger, and then I will try to plug the hard drive back inside. Okay, the charger is in. It's charging my MacBook Pro. So we have here now like charger, USB external hard drive 4 tera, USB pen drive, card reader, SD card, and SSD external hard drive. And let's unplug the card reader here. I will now plug in the Western Digital My Passport. So we have now powered. Oh my god, I'm afraid what will happen. Oh my god. Oh my god. It actually works. It's working. I have now 3 external hard drives. Western Digital, I think it's 2 terabytes. Transcend 4 terabytes. SSD. I'm amazed. It's working. And SD card and another pen drive here. If I will have another external drive, I will actually try it. And because if I unplug the power, I think that everything will be ejected. I won't do that because I love my hard drives too much. So I will, yeah, I think it will be ejected. So let me just do this test now with the Blackmagic disk speed test. What happened if I use, it's actually working. I'm impressed because I've seen a lot of this USB hubs that are not working even if the power is plugged in, and they're not actually working as they should. And I'm quite impressed. Let's open this speed Blackmagic design disk speed test. I'll use my SSD drive now first. So let's try this. Open and speed speed test. And while this is happening, I will try to open this. Okay, I will try to copy this from the Transcend to, yeah, SSD, open, the, it's working quite great. Let's delete this. It's really amazing. I'm impressed with this little fella here, and I know now that I have made a great choice to order this one. I'm totally impressed. This little USB hub is amazing. Finisk USB-C hub 9-in-1, as you can see it here. Anyway, this is it. I'm impressed with this. I'm very pleased I bought it, and I decided to use this one. This is it, Finisk USB-C hub. And this is the review, comprehensive review. If you like that video, just hit that like button down there. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because more of this video will be coming into my channel very soon. Anyway, this is it for now. This is it for today's video. I'll do this video, I hope, very soon. And see you in the next video, of course. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Yeah. See you in the next video, dudes. And take care. Bye.